Hey princesses and princesses, Princess Lolli here. Guess where I am? Cat Cafe!
Princesses and princesses. First off, I would like to thank you all for watching the entirety of this video and for being so patient with me. I have been super busy with some personal stuff lately and have been unable to edit my videos. Going off of that, I would like to thank my friend Nathan, also known as Dead Nate. The link to his channel will be down in the description below, so go check out his videos. I asked him the other day and he was nice enough to edit this video for me, so thank you very much, Nathan. Now to get on to what you just saw. As you can tell, what was shown in the video, and from the name of the video, this was the vlog I'd made from Pet Me Meow's pop-up cat cafe on June 7th. Now, it was the entire weekend from June 6th to 8th. I went on 7th. They'd done the pop-ups all weekend long, and we were just lucky enough to get on Saturday. So, some of you are probably wondering what Pet Me Meow is. Pet Me Meow is a cat cafe which will be opening up in Toronto in the fall. They have teamed up with Toronto Cat Rescue, whom will be providing all of the cats for the cafe. When I heard that the cats for their cafe would all be rescues, waiting to be adopted, I was sold. My friend and I had such a wonderful time at the pop-up, and we can't wait for it to be an actual thing here in Toronto. Their links for Facebook, Twitter, website, etc. will be down in the description below, and please follow them. Links for music will also be in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. I do tweet more often while out and about, so don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Again, thank you all for watching this video. I hope these wonderful kittens brought some joy to your morning, afternoon, or evening. See you guys later!